Now your second question. In this all questions, two part only I have to do, and other remaining parts, that's your homework. Okay. Similar question. So in this question also we have to write down first of all multiple of 15 are 15, 30. Now these are the multiples of 15 and 20 written already. Now I have to see which are the common multiple. So 15 no, 30 no, 45 no, 60 yes. Next 120 also. So these two are the common multiples, but which are the smallest common multiple? Obviously 60. So you can say LCM is equal to 60. I hope all of you understand. This method you have to use when smaller number are there. Okay, then you can easily use and apply this method and your answer will come. Now next, find the LCM by of the following by prime factorization method. This method also very important. So see, 24, all of you know prime factorization method. So we have to find out first of all factors. 24, what is the prime factors? 24, this is divisible by 2 and 2 is also prime number, that's why we'll take 2. 2 12. Okay, next again divisible by 2. 2 6, 2 6 are 12, again divisible by 2. 2 3 are again. Now 2 is not divisible by 3, that's why we'll take next prime number, that is your 3. 3 1 is 3. After that we have to find out 60. 60 how? 2 30, again 2 15, again 2 no, this is divisible by 3. 5, next 5 1. Now we have to write down 24 as a 24 and 60 written already as a prime factors, multiplication of prime factors. Now your next step, you have to make box. You have to make box like this. If you not make, no problem, but this is very easy for you only. Now see which numbers are used in this, which prime factors are used. 2 3 5, these are used, so we have to write down these are 3 different prime factors you can use. This is easy method. Okay, that's why I'll tell you. Actually if you not try make box, then also you can find out. Now how many numbers are there? 24, that's why I'll make box 2 only. This is for 24 and this is for 60. Now see, in case of 24, how many 2 is there? How many 2? 3 times. So you have to write down here 3 times. This is the 3 times. Next, in case of 24, how many 3? 1 times. So we have to write down. How many 5? 0 times. Okay. Next, in case of 60, how many 2 is there? 2 times. How many 3? 1 times. How many 5? 1 times. Now we have to find out LCM. This is very also important. LCM is equal to, now we have to check 2. We have to check only 2. 2 how many times appear, but maximum times? Obviously 3 times, that's why we'll take, we will write like this, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Got it? We'll take this one. Next, 3 how many times most of the times occur? This is 1 times, both ones, so we will take 1 times. Okay, 1 times we will write. Next, 5 how many times most? 1 times, that's why we'll take. Got it? So if in case of SCF you have to take, okay, now you have to multiply them. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, so 120 as a answer. Right? Next question, similar way you have to do 10 12 18. So 10, very easy, we have to do fast. Actually in this question we are solved already, written already, find out already. Now our next work, we have to make the table. Again I'm telling you, if you not make table, this is not compulsory for making table, but if you make table, then that is very easy for you. Now here, how many now, which numbers are appear? 2 5 3, again similar way, 2 3 5, but here 3 number, that's why I'll make 3 box. Now this is for 10, this is for 12, this is for 18. Now Now check. In case of 10, 2 how many times occur? 1 times. That's why we will write 1 times. Okay. 3 how many times? 0 times. So write down 0 times. 5 how many times? 1 times. So we have to write down 1 times. Now 12. 2 times 2. 3 times. Sorry, 1 times 3 and 5 0 times. In case of 18, 1 times, 3 2 times and 5 0 times. Very easy. Now next, LCM is equal to, listen, how many times occur? Maximum times 2 times. That's why we'll write down 2 times. 3 how many times? 2 times. And 5 1 times. Sorry, 5 1 times. That is also 3 na? Written, not written 3. Okay. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 5 ja 180. So your answer is 180. I hope all of you understand. So these all the questions you have to practice. Many questions are remaining. These all the questions you have to practice now. Okay. Thank you.